Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of the Panasonic EM2800A. Let's get to the video. Okay, so here is the product and here is the model number. Let me just show you, EM2800A. Let's just open it up, and right there we have the microphone itself. Very sleek, it's all black. Let me put this here, and here are two mounts that it comes with. Let's get into the box so we don't miss anything. We have the pop filter, and we have a very long cable, as you can see. It also comes with a 3.5 meter jack, so you can record into your phone or your computer straightforward. And then the manual. Okay, let me just put these aside. So here is the mic. I'm just gonna remove it quickly. And there it is. As you can see, it's the Panasonic EM2800A. It's a super unidirectional electric condenser. And it has a couple of modes as well. It has the tele mode, the normal mode, and just the off. Now, you also need to know that this comes with a slot for a AA battery right there. So don't forget this, guys, else your mic is not gonna work. Okay, so now that you've done your unboxing, you've seen how the microphone looks like. We're going to do a quick sound test. Be right back. So we are all set up, and as you can see, I'm recording the Panasonic into the Zoom H4n just to control the level, to make sure that I'm not peaking, the audio. Previously, we were recording on the Boya by MM1. It's right here, very close to the Panasonic. Same distance away from me. And yeah, we're on the normal mode at the moment on the Panasonic. So we're just going to do a couple of tests. I'll repeat the same statements. We'll switch between the audio, and then you tell us what you think, or which one you think is actually good for you. This is an audio test, and this is what it sounds like. This is an audio test, and this is what it sounds like. This is an audio test, and this is what it sounds like. This is an audio test, and this is what it sounds like. Now, we are on the tele mode. I'm just wearing this to monitor the sound, and you notice a little bit of difference in the audio. I don't know, but you just put in the comment section what you think about it so far. I like it. I like it. It's having just a little bit less of the bass, but if you actually know your way around the audio editing, I think you can actually get a good sound from this Panasonic microphone. So yeah, I like this. And just to say this, we are still recording on the tele mode, but I'm gonna switch to the normal mode so I can end this video real quick. So we are back to the normal mode, and as you can hear, it sounds like the normal mode is just a little bit low, but I still like it though. I like it. And this microphone goes for 250 Ghana cedis here in Ghana, so it should be less than $50, which tells you that it's actually very budget friendly. And yeah, that's it. That's basically what I have to say. So you just tell us what you think about this audio. You can put it in the comment section, and yeah, it's good. This brings us to the end of the video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Like if you enjoyed this video. Put in the comment section your comments, thoughts, anything that you want us to know, and we'll really get back to you on this one. See you in the next video. Peace.